We used to do this the hard way every single time, trying to figure out what to make for dinner. And let's be honest, there are many nights during the week where I don't feel like cooking. And there are nights when we both want something different for dinner. So then we end up spending money on takeout, and you know how fast that adds up. But now we have a new way, a way that we can have meals ready in less than 10 minutes. For example, mashed potatoes. These are such a staple. You can top them with chili, stews, or our favorite, burnt ends and barbecue sauce. In order to have the potatoes finished in less than 10 minutes, I make a big batch in my Instant Pot. Then I put these on freezer trays and freeze them in my freezer. Then I transfer the trays to my freeze dryer and I freeze dry them. This is where the magic happens. Once they're freeze dried, we break them up, put them in Mylar bags, and label them. Then when we want mashed potatoes fast, I just boil some water and gradually stir in the freeze dried potatoes until I get the consistency I want. And in just a few minutes, they are ready. You can top these with your favorite freeze dried homemade chili, freeze dried gravy, or like I said today, the burnt ends and barbecue sauce. These potatoes taste just like homemade because they are homemade and they're without any preservatives or ingredients you can't pronounce. You can do this with full meals too. If my husband wants spaghetti, he grabs a bag of freeze-dried spaghetti, just adds the hot water, and it's done. Yes, a freeze dryer is an investment, but you could share the cost with your adult kids or even neighbors, and that does make it more affordable. We even use our freeze dryer to dry fruits like these raspberries. We love mixing them in with our homemade ice cream, and we serve them in these little push pops. I've got a video about that I'll link below. Now when one of us asks, what's for dinner? We can just open the pantry cupboard and pick out whatever sounds good. Let me know what you do to get a meal on the table fast. And if you're interested in other quick freeze-dried meal ideas, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for stopping by.